So Hamish, tell us about your boat then.
It's a boat. It goes this way, slowly. But I'm going to watch out for these other boats. It's like bumper cars on the canals. With hopefully not so many bumps. It's a raster boat, that one.
So what's it like living on the water?
Nice, I like it. It's a good life. Apart from the narrow bridges, we've got one coming up. Look, so you can see the rocks. Check out the rocks on the side there. Behind you. You're supposed to bore up there. Okay, another narrow bridge coming up. Okay, the water's low here, so the water's low all the way down actually. Ouch.
Where is the water low?
Somebody's left the paddles open overnight, probably. You know, people do it all the time, it's a problem. Kids, I think, they just open us up, let all the water out and be fun. And then lots of boats end up aground, sitting on rocks. Which is fine if you've got a steel boat, but not so good if you've got a plastic one. It survived so far. Okay, on your side, good? Mel, on your side, good?
Yeah.
Okay. Something else? There's a lot of debris in the water. Feel good on your side?
Yes, good.
Good, good.
2 meters.
Okay.
Left.
Alright.